Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. In this video, we will learn how to design a parallax intro video in Canva. Let's start by opening the Canva homepage, then search for videos, and a blank page will appear. We will add a background image to our video and adjust its size. Next, we will add the text for our video and select the font. We can change the text color as needed. Afterward, we will duplicate our page, making the page smaller for easier editing. Then, we will zoom in on our image and text accordingly. Finally, we will apply transition effects to our video. That is our final look. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.